Yeah, good morning everyone. This is my vlog. Stay tuned, like, share, and subscribe. Good morning everyone. Good morning, good morning, good morning. Today is 26th of January. Yeah, the weather is 4%, 4 degrees. Grabe. Lumamig na naman. Ano ba yan? Ang buhay dito sa UK, everyone. Ayan, thank God dahil nagising ako ng tama sa oras. And then, Lord, memory gap ako. Grabe. No. Ayan. See you in 15 minutes walk after and one bus. Ayan lang everyone, ako napilay-pilay na naman ako. Wait a moment. Good morning everyone. Today is Wednesday. Wednesday lang pala ngayon. Oh, gee. Akala ko Thursday na. Miraculous pa lang pala. Oh, 26 of 26 of February, and the weather is 4%. Medyo malamig. Lumamig na naman. Tapos excited sa pagsuot ng pang spring, kaya ayan, nilalamig tuloy ako. So ayun, see you after 15 minutes walk and one bus, everyone. Bye. See you when I see you, everyone. Good morning, maayong buntag sa tanan sa Pilipinas. Happy days and good afternoon. Ayan lang, magandang tanghali. Kain tayo, everyone.
Yung blue?
Yung kompleto kami dito, may microwave, may ref, may washing machine, may dryer, and then may coffee. Magandang tanghali, everyone. Dito ako. KFC. Take out. Sa maulang panahon. Buti na lang tumigil ang ulan. Grabe. Ang lakas kaya. Super as in. Grabe. Pero ayan. Ang sirain. Good. It's good. It's good. Kain tayo, everyone. Ayun. Good afternoon, everyone. Time check. Good afternoon, everyone. Nakakaano dito yung mga nagmamadali yung mga kotse dyan sa pagtawid sa pedestrian. Way naman ang tao yun, di ba? Nakakaloka. Nakakatakot. 15:38, everyone. At medyo malamig. Mag-train tayo. Mag-train tayo at sinuot ko na itong raincoat ko pero baka kasi umulan ng malakas. Ginamit ko kanina pagpunta sa KFC kasi yun lang naisip ko madaling lunch namin kanina. So ayan lang. See you later, everyone. After 2 trains. The train is already here, everyone. My first train here in Glastonbury. See you later, everyone. The train, everyone. Towards Alvin. Noong nalamig kami ang Alvin. Uwi kami. Finally, makatapos.
The next station is Liverpool Street. Change for the Central Line, the Olympic Line, London Overground, and National Rail Services.
Good evening, everyone. Nearly at the house. Going home. So, this is it. Uwi na tayo. Dahil malamig. Lumamig na naman. So, see you later again. Pagkakain na ako. Hello everyone! Good evening! Ayan, kain tayo ng hapunan. Ay, sakto, 9:00, everyone. Ayan. Kain tayo, everyone. Kompleto ako, may tea, may aganon. Kaya nakakalimutan ko tong kiwi. Kakainin ko na ngayon para may ibang lasa naman. Oh, di ba? Yan everyone at nako. Let's eat and good night. God bless. I love you all. After this.